And that gives us an identity, and that gives us a competitive strength. So those are the strategic reasons we should be in a good shape to pursue this vision. The other issue has to do with culture, and culture rests on values. Our values, I would argue, are conducive to build a company that can pursue the vision that we have articulated. Firstly, we are customer-centric. For us, everything we do must be revolving around the customer and their primary needs. Secondly, we value agility. Agility has two aspects. One is speed, moving quickly, and the other is ability to change direction. We have both. Third is professionalism. Professionalism has to do with saying what you do and doing what you say and having the discipline. The fourth is meritocracy. Meritocracy has to do with if you do well, you will reach the top. Not the other way. If you somehow reach the top, you will do well. It's not that. Fifth is inclusivity. Inclusivity has two aspects. One is you have diverse people, so there is diversity. And secondly, those diverse people don't make different groups, but they actually work together. That's inclusivity, right? So whether it's gender or language or religion, none of that matters. We can work together. And lastly, developing people. It's huge here, right? It's part of our mission to develop people. We're not just here to make revenue, but we are here to build each other into evolved professionals. So all these values, I would argue, are conducive to the vision of transforming lives at workplace. In fact, what we are trying to do in the outside world, our values allow us to do the same inside. So when Swati described some of the employee experience transformations that we are trying to do here, it's again a reflection of these values. So there it is. By the way, all these Warli paintings were produced by a professional artist by the name Avanti Kulkarni, and she's married to our own Sandeep. Where is Sandeep? Sandeep's right here. Yep. So a round of applause for her. And so finally, sort of to bring all this together, I think I'd like to call out some of the benefits of having a vision. The first benefit of having a vision is it removes the blinders. It basically starts to answer the question, why? There are many software engineers, they don't know why they're doing what they're doing. If you ask them, they just say that, oh, I'm doing Node.js, I'm doing React, I'm doing Kubernetes. But why? Why are you doing that? What does it produce? How does it change the world? No, I don't know all that. Right? So, I mean, I'm not making fun of you. It's okay to some extent. But do you really want to just remain a worker bee? I've been told to do this, I'm only going to do this. Doesn't matter what it does. At some point of time, you want to know what difference it makes, right? The vision answers that question. It tells you why you're doing what you're doing. And so it's a good idea to understand the vision. The second big benefit of vision is it makes you part of a winning